Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to GM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, Maths of Prep Class. Students, today we are going to learn a very easy and fun concept. Few, many and equal. Let's say it together. Few, many and equal. Children, look here. I have some strawberries. Few strawberries. Here, students, we have only 2 strawberries. 1 and 2. When the number is small, we say few strawberries. Say it with me. Few strawberries. On the other hand, we have 5 strawberries. So we can say we have many strawberries. When the number is big, we say many strawberries. We say many strawberries. Dear students, now let's look at the socks. Here we have lots of socks together. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We have many socks. Here we have 4 socks only. That's few socks. Students, few mean thoda and many mean zyada. So student, last is candies. Here we have 6 candies. And other side we have also 6 candies. So we can say we have equal candies. So students, remember, few means small in number, many means a lot of things, equal means the same number on both sides. Very good, students. Now you all know how to tell few, many and equal. Dear students, now you all know how to tell few, many and equal. Very good.